Hi folks, this is just a short video clip showing the Napa River, which has flooded the local Napa River Trail. Sorry for the traffic noise, I'm out here on the bridge. This is on Lincoln Avenue, and I made another video of walking this same trail, which today is closed off to the public. And here is the caution tape and the sign that warns people. This trail is flooded, and actually it's predicted to get even worse in about an hour. But the muddy river is running very fast. Flood level is 25 feet, and I believe it's going to reach 27.5 feet. A few steps down the street, we see that the River Point Napa Valley cottages, which are actually on wheels, it's a very good idea considering this threat of flooding. They're sitting here. They've been moved from their spots next to the trail.